How to log into Citizens Bank online. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow update steps. So open up any of the browser available and you can directly search for Citizens Bank. And you can scroll down and find the Citizens Bank, which is citizensbank.com, the one with this green logo right here. So you can basically access it right here and you will be finding this particular interface. Now in order to log in, you may look out for the login option in the top right corner and tap on it and access it. Now you can select the option personal small business. You can drop it down, expand it up, and select for what account you're logging in. So you can basically tap on login and tap on login, and you will be taken to the login page. So wait for a bit for the page to load up. And then there you go. Now you just need to go ahead and look out for this interface right here where you can use a user ID and password to access the Citizens Bank mobile banking. So just go ahead and enter up your user ID here, right below it the password, and then you can just go ahead and tap on the login option right here and you will be logged in. Apart from that, if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on trouble logging in and reset your password and head over to the space right here and log in. And if you're new, you can look out for this new to online banking and tap on enroll now. And you can just follow the process to enroll online for the Citizens Bank. And once you are registered, you can basically go ahead and go back to the login page and use your credentials in order to log in online into Citizens. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.